Ever dreamt of giving investment advice like a Wall Street guru, but legally? Then you will need one of this, the Series 65 or Series 66. Without them, even recommending a mutual fund could land you in a financial jail. Okay, maybe not jail, but definitely out of the business. Now, let's decode this. The Series 66 examination qualifies you as an investment advisor representative, the IAR. That's the title for the professionals who give the financial advice for a fee. Think portfolio management, retirement planning, and the client investment strategy. The Series 66, on the other hand, combines the power of the Series 63 and 65, and it's meant for those who already hold the Series 7 license. In short, the Series 7 lets you trade, the Series 65-66 lets you advise. Together, you become the financial version of the Batman and Robin minus the cape but plus the compliance paperwork. Both the examinations are overseen by the FINRA and designed by the NASAA, the North American Securities Administrators Association. Fancy name, right? But the job is serious, making sure you don't turn into another Ponzi scheme headline. The Series 65 is 130 questions and 180 minutes long, and passing requires 72%. Series 66 has 100 questions in 150 minutes with 73% for passing marks, and the questions expect everything: investment vehicles, laws, ethics, and a few questions that make you doubt your entire existence. Now, students often joke, I can predict the stock market, but not FINRA's grammar. That's where Dr. Soros's classes come in. We break down every topic using the real world examples, from the Warren Buffett's portfolio moves to your Neverwood SIP. Our mock test even replicate the FINRA's confusing question style. So when you face the real examination, it feels like deja vu. Our teaching model, simple but powerful. Small batches, one-to-one mentorship, and the live quizzes, and even case-based discussions. We help you to design your study plan around your job schedule. And yes, for students facing the financial challenges, we have free learning sessions, because dream of becoming a financial advisor should never depend on your bank balance. So, if you want to advise the clients, manage the portfolios, and sound smarter than their Google searches, it's time to get licensed. Choose Series 65 or 66 and join Dr. Soros's classes today, where the finance meets fun and every law turns into a story you will actually remember. So, don't wait for anything, join today.